Hey guys, sorry for a long day that I never record because yesterday I think yesterday it yesterday my Wi-Fi was really bad, really bad. But why is always Indonesia? I don't know why, because what should I buy one day? The only one is the alien one because the alien one is good. No. Oh, electric car. Si penyapu. Oh, it's mean. You know, that's from a game that it's going like this. So I'm in Indonesia, but be careful of the coronavirus. Stay in home and wait. What? I just hit once, and I didn't die. Oh, sorry. You're okay. If you guys want to know the Easter egg of Epicmini game that you will get accessories from hat, just get it now. If you already played break-in on the Easter egg, just don't tell anybody, okay? Nah, never mind, don't scream loudly. Hello, sir. If you wanna ask me how did I get this effect, the butterfly effect, I don't know, when I just played something, somehow, I think it's from a friend, that a hacker or something, that she or he gave me this, like a trade thing or a gift. But yeah, I will teach you how to stay in I teach you how to stay in Indonesia. Just going to circle around. Mini game berikutnya. Oh. Pemana akurat. Boating? I don't know I forgot the name. Oh, he's so cute. That's from Adopt Me. But Adopt Me already makes something good that makes you really good. That you have to find a mini game. Then you get that. Yay! This is hard. But how is someone is there? What the? Sir? Sir, this is on a mini game. What the heck are you doing, sir? Sir, you were dead in there. Sir, do you understand what I'm speaking? Sir, can you hear what I'm saying? Stop jumping. Stop jumping me. Oh, that's a lot. I can reach this. Ooh. Oh, can I tell you guys something? Let's just hi friends. Hey. If not my friend, if you don't, what am I? What a phone. So yeah, if you guys know Piggy from the story, I already know everything. That's just my mini games that I played. But it's mine. Can we stop doing that? No! You Claude? Wait, what I'm saying is Steven Universe Games. Oh, no. Don't leave that behind. Oh, no. Why is this so hard? Just jump. Just jump and get them. Berani means brave. I'm so good at Indonesia, but I'm not really good at English because I don't understand what are they meaning when I'm asking. Yay! Oh, how much is that? Tak kenal takut. Unknown, afraid. Oh, that's so cool. Score! Yes, Minzo. Yes, Minzo. Hey. Hello, 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 hello. It is. Maybe later. Oh, focus. Because it's green, but the other one is not. No, don't see the other YouTuber. Oh yeah, lama. Ye, it means on Indonesia. Oh, so very long. Lama means long, very long. But what? I didn't touch it. Saya means me. I will teach you all of Indonesia. If you don't understand, just comment down below. Oh my head. Oh yeah, and thank you for 9 subscribers yesterday, maybe? I don't know, I forgot. And thank you for, now I have 11 subscribers. Thank you for everyone that always subscribed me. And thank you very much. I really like you. And if you really like me, please don't like me because I will not be your friend anymore. Putar bola means make the ball go to the right way, my friend. No, not there, there. Yes, good team. The ball is too fast. How can we do that? Oh yeah, tomorrow I will make. This is already night, right? Oh my, I cannot wait to get the thing. If it already 0-0, it means yeah. Ah! Oh, that's good. Blue team didn't even do it. sorry, blue team. I'm sorry to say that. Go. We can do this. Don't push in anywhere. Just push here. Why did you push there? Push. Wow, I'm in top. Let me help you. Big mushrooms. Go. Fast. I think they're still on the back. Yep, they're still. Pull. I mean push. Not pull. Beep. Yay! Ow! I got this. If I said why jangan bilang gitu, it means hey, don't say that. That's not very nice. But I forgot to make it nice. I don't know what anjir on Indonesia. Don't pick the red one. The red one is useful. Oh, maybe I should. Maybe. Yay. No. Oh, that's so close. Oh, so close. Wow, I'm good at it. Long time ago, I never good at it. Yay! Oh, I like that. It's very nice. Score. Score 8. Score. See, that's the egg if you got the Easter egg. Oh, that's so good. But I cannot eat anybody's food. I mean, anybody's stuff. Oh yeah, if you guys want my friend named Lala Cell, shout out for everybody who has watching this or not. I don't know. Shout out for all of my friends, even you guys too. Tell me what's your name on Roblox, and I will, or I'm 5. Just said what I have my name, but if you guys know BKXD, play it. It's really fun to play it. But there's another YouTuber that is love. Oh no. Oh, this is where I get the egg, and I really have it. I'm not lying. Please don't be me. Where? Oh no! I hate that. I hate them. Oh yeah, it's very dangerous and it's very hard to kill them. But if we are together, we win. Oh. Wait, isn't this sword from Yogyakarta? It's so tight. Where is him? It's going upstairs from down. Get up! It's going down. Oh, is he in the back? Oh, he's in there. Everybody kill him. Oh, that's so close. I want the coin. Where's the coin? Where's the freaking coin? Oh, never mind. I can get it. I don't want to get it. Let the friends. I mean, my friends. I don't know if they're my friends or not. No. Wait, I'm in the. Oh, never mind. Snowy Light. Who's Snowy Light? Can you see? Snowy Light. That's a beautiful name. Oh, she's a cool girl, I think. Oh, my neck so hurt. Why the gold one is really hard to get, but no, it's not. If you guys good at this, how can you get the shark? Even I never seen anybody get the shark. Beep, 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 beep. Yep. Yes. Hey there. Got you. Oh, that's almost double hit. No, yes. No, don't get the shark. No. That's hard. Told you that I cannot do that. No. That's so close. One. Even if guys really hard on this, it's fine. I'm good with it. No. It's making me want to say yeet every day. If I always lose with my friend, I say yeet, my friends scream loudly. I want to scream loudly. But this is shark, a big shark. Maybe it's a white shark. Or it is. Oh yeah, the fish, come out. No, I was close. Person. By the way, tell me what is your birthday, and I will say happy birthday. But my birthday is a secret. Don't tell anybody. Tell me what is your birthday is on the comment or secretly. Just tell me. And my birthday is July 18th. Don't tell anybody. This is our secret. If you want to tell anybody, just tell it. Just all. Red, green, red, green. I like that skyline. Tupu, I forgot. Oh, what is the alien one? I'm so happy that I got the butterfly one. Even if it's not cool or cool, I don't know. Just pick one of you guys. Thanks. Oopsie. Oopsie. Ah! Oh yeah. Okay. What is it? Not this again. Oh dear. My friend said don't go anywhere, just follow this sweet. Oh gosh. Yeah, just stand still. You won't die. Oh gosh. No. I can make this. Yay. No. Okay, this is just... Oh gosh. No, I can make this. No, wrong way. Ah. Yay. What is your favorite pet on here? Oh, I really like to get up and know. Yeah, but what? My best pet is not like that very much. What's this? I know this one. Oh, that's right. Wait, what? I didn't see. Wait, how did that ball get there? Well, I like to get it, but I don't have any more. When maybe should I get a cute cat? Or Bill? Oh, parrot. No. Oh, you fat cat. Hey, fat cat, you're so cute. Fat cat. Fat cat. Hey, fat cat. No. Wait, did the cat is oil? Nope, I'm really noob. Oh, that's a sad name, but really, I think so. Ah, this is hard. Much harder than I think. Oh yeah, tell me on a comment if you play Piggy, and tell me what's your favorite character. I mean skin, and the traps. My favorite one is the angel one only, and the traps. Oh, wait, no. Ah, where's the freaking water? No, I need one. I need that. Evil. I'm dying. No, you see that? No. Oh, no. Oh, my friend needed. So I guess I have to wait for a minute. He said, oh yeah, I forgot to do this. Oh, honey cookie. I'm going to say, hey Cookie, I'm recording in real. Hey Cookie, I'm recording. Oh no. Wait, this is Trader? No, not Trader. I hate Trader so much. Even they secretly trying to kill us. Isn't that right? How do you get out there? Stop doing that thing, I'm scared. Where is the freaking hammer? Oh, I see there. No. Just don't get close by the clown or just run. There, get him. Don't you dare get me, clown. I'm a nice person. Nothing. Which ammo, nice. We need to freaking code. Go. Oh gosh, that scared me. Yeah! This freaking clown. Ammo, seriously. Wait, what? Someone, if my friend, blah, 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 is her, and if she said, Moon is Moon, that's me, she said, Moon is a YouTuber, and I was like, wait, what? Wait, what's your YouTuber name? I'm like, oh, no. I'm scared. I'm scared if they're always looking at me. I'll see you every day. And I'm like, oh gosh, that's scary. I'm scared. Even I didn't know who is she. Even I didn't know who is them. I don't know. Hey. Oh, I have a new friend. And yeah. Word bomb? Oh, you need like... One of my friend always played that. Huh? Huh? Question Palo. Don't make me scream. Oh, my best thing. If you really like cute, comment down below your username Roblox or Identity5. Then said I love cute. Or you like cool so much? Tell me. Just tell me. One day. Oh no. Oh yeah. If you're always in here, just do something cool, okay? Oh yeah, tell me if you're already in the game. Oh, that's be so good. I Another egg. It's mine. Green. Okay, green. Pink. Well, I'm so right. Green. Blue, blue, blue. Wait, how did he get that? Pink. What the? Oh, that scared me. Just jump. It's still what I do. That's how you win. But don't really jump too hard. It will make you die. Like, my best friend just do that. And it's really funny that she died. Oh, so cute! Mine, mine, mine. No! Oh. Easy, just stand in here. Yeah, stand in here. You're so... This one said, here! I don't care. I'm not buying anything. I cannot wait on 24 August. Not August, that's April. I go. I got fast. I'm not getting faster. Me. Ooh, I'm in number 2. Oh. Oh. Hey. What? Oh. Easy. What, did that girl or I'm just lagging? Sir, stop doing that, sir. Sir? You didn't hear anything. Wait, what? Hello? Can you please get out of here, of my room? Wait for a minute, guys. Okay. What? You can just play this on speed 1-4. No! Okay, I'm not doing anything. Someone is always cheating when they use that. Getting passes is good. This look good. Even this is good. You're getting way faster. Oh, Porygon is so good. Pursue it, do it. What the heck? No. that legs. I think. Oh, yeah, that's the song. I like it. I ever heard of it, but I never. Bye, Bo. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bo? Okay. Stop pushing it here. Pushing it there. Get a ball if you want to. What? I'm just trying to make coffee. Scared me. Baldy, stop doing that. Huh? Oh. Hi. Oh, good. Malaysia, you say? If you can hear the Blackpink song, is my brother. My little brother, not my brother. My brother done. Ah! Oh, I scream if I lose. Well, okay guys, this is for today and bye. See you in the next video. Bye.